the Scenes widget, like the lighting widget, possesses a lot of flexibility. And the two together working in tandem are really potent. So we use both of them as a recommended practice across projects. However, unlike the lighting widget, where everything comes from the Design Center project file, right, the tree structure of your floors and rooms, this is different because simple scenes can either be from the Design Center or keypad scenes, or the scenes can be created from scratch, newly on the screen for the system, and shared across the screens. So I'll say that again. You can either use the scenes from Design Center and create the scenes in Design Center and make them available inside of the 7.3 and apps, or you can create scenes from scratch. You can create scenes anew on the 7.3 and apps. Now nobody does this. Not anyone. Not AMX, not Crestron, not Lutron, not Savant, not anyone. Now some allow user editing, live. They allow you to change some levels or some settings, but not creation. So with scene creation, though you should know, as we talked about, as we worked this out with homeowners, we built it with and for homeowners. And the purpose is we want them to feel comfortable in creating scenes and some ownership over their system and not confused by it. So in the scene creation or the scene widget, less is really more here. Plus, to be honest with you, we are not trying to duplicate the Design Center programming environment. Complex, multiple-step programs are best done by the dealer and best done inside of Design Center. This is your job. This is where you shine. You get to evaluate what the homeowner wants and needs, and you get to program it. You get to use all of that power of Design Center. Our job is to build a solid, simple, consistent framework, which is Equinox, for that to happen in and be used in. So now you guys think about that. You have the best of both worlds. You have the power of Design Center and all of the conditions and capabilities that allow you to build fantastic scenarios, pathways, house offs, good nights, the power of one button that we talk about all the time that we know sells systems. And then on top of that, you have a simple user tool for those who want or need to build a quick party scene or maybe a quick pathway scene. The users can do this. Now, if they don't want to do that, that's fine. You can still do this for them and allow them to go back later and edit that. You can even do these scenes for them remotely, okay? And it will show up immediately in their stream. You can be talking to them on the phone and say, now exactly what did you want to do? Okay, it shows up on their screen a second later, they tap it, and the scene happens. That is powerful. Now, as with lighting, scenes can and should be set up by profile, right? So scenes for mom, scenes for dad, maybe scenes for the nighttime, scenes for party mode, scenes for maintenance, scenes for the theater. You get the idea. As you look on the screen, again, it's a little small here. It's those 4 dashboard shots in a row. All that is some sample shots of, on the same exact 7.3, we have 4 different scenes shown here. Or maybe this is from an iPad or from an iPhone. It doesn't matter. You have dads, you have moms, you have the entertain profile, and you have the movie profile or the theater profile, all sitting right there, all from one screen. So now add to the ability of profiles the fact that there is a hard button on 7.3 that you can program as you walk in and out of the room. There is a proximity sensor task that you can program based on your arrival at the screen. And then the power of the previously discussed lighting widget. With in its full screen view, you have filters for the on versus all of the lights. You have whole room off buttons. And the fact that you can harness the learnable option, to combine keypad scenes and 7.3 scenes together, and you're really unstoppable. You guys have the ability to be absolutely unique in what you offer to your customers.